This bronze-winged Jacana is out foraging with its chick. The bronze-winged Jacana is one of the rare bird species where males take full responsibility for raising the young. Female Jacanas mate with multiple males, leaving them to incubate the eggs and care for the chicks. Juvenile Jacanas are grayish-white in color, but as they mature, they live up to their name. Their head and neck turn a bronze green, and their wings develop a metallic bronze sheen. Bronze-winged Jacanas prefer wetlands with floating aquatic plants. Their long legs and toes help them run quickly in such environments. And they are also strong swimmers, making them all-around athletes.